Unlock a realm of indispensable possibilities as we delve into the realm of everyday carry gear and gadgets. These items are not just accessories but vital components of your daily routine. Carefully curated, these tools and devices seamlessly combine functionality with convenience, providing you with the means to effortlessly conquer life's obstacles. From versatile survival multi-tools to elegant minimalist wallets, explore a collection of essential EDC items that merit your investment. So, without any more delay, let's embark on this journey. Introducing a groundbreaking writing tool that reimagines precision and sophistication. Meticulously crafted with unwavering attention to detail, the Nexus transcends boundaries by seamlessly merging elegance with functionality, delivering an unmatched writing encounter for both writing enthusiasts and professionals. Its refined metallic body exudes an air of sophistication while ensuring a comfortable grasp during prolonged writing sessions. A distinctive tactile pattern elevates grip control, transforming each stroke into a gratifying writing experience. Versatility lies at the core of the Nexus, accommodating an array of refill types, from fountain pens to rollerballs, empowering you to effortlessly tailor your writing style. Elevate your handwriting to unprecedented levels with the tactile engraved Nexus, where innovation intertwines with craftsmanship, birthing a true masterpiece in the realm of writing instruments. The Trayvax Axis, a smart and minimalist bifold wallet that streamlines your everyday carry. This sleek wallet is designed to enhance convenience, accommodating up to 14 credit cards and up to 8 folded dollar bills and coins. Managing cash is effortless, thanks to its generous capacity. Crafted in the USA, this wallet boasts a slim profile that seamlessly slips into your pocket. Like many other EDC wallets, the Trayvax Axis also incorporates RFID blocking technology, safeguarding against identity theft. Bid farewell to cumbersome and bothersome wallets, upgrade to the Trayvax Axis today. This knife proves its utility with a concealed array of tools tucked within its compact frame. Weighing less than an egg and measuring just 6 centimeters in length, its lightweight build belies its functionality. Contained within are a blade, screwdriver, mini ruler, whistle, and wire cutter, all meticulously crafted from VG10 steel, a Japanese material tailored for excellence in the knife industry. The ingeniously designed structure ensures that the knife maintains a streamlined profile in your pocket. Moreover, it can serve as a keychain or pendant when needed. Noteworthy is the handle's composition of grade 5 titanium, a material prominent in chemical and medical sectors, enhancing its durability and value. The seller's assertion is that this flashlight proves itself suitable for hiking, camping, and various outdoor pursuits. Notably, it is designed to endure a 1.2-meter drop and immersion in water, and some adventurous reviewers have even subjected it to freezer conditions, after which it continued to function seamlessly. Featuring a Samsung LED, the flashlight offers remarkable visibility up to 126 meters. Its top segment can rotate by 90 degrees, and thanks to a magnetic insert, it securely clings to metallic surfaces. A convenient feature for settings like garages or workshops. Presenting the ultimate remedy for an uncluttered and well-organized keychain. This inventive contraption revolutionizes the manner in which we transport keys, boasting a sleek and compact design that seamlessly integrates into your pocket. Sporting a Swiss Army knife-inspired aesthetic, the KeySmart Original is engineered to hold up to 14 keys, eliminating the bothersome jingling and potential scratching inherent in conventional keychains. What's more, its ingenious expansion packs enable the inclusion of accessories like USB drives, bottle openers, or multi-tools, enhancing convenience. Crafted from resilient materials, this key organizer guarantees the security and effortless accessibility of your keys whenever the need arises. Bid adieu to unwieldy keychains and embrace the elegance and efficiency of the KeySmart Original, the intelligent approach to key carrying. Buddie is a smart, modular gadget that will transform your power demands. Buddie is intended for use in the great outdoors, when traveling, and in emergency circumstances where a dependable and adaptable power source is required. It automatically adjusts to varied settings, ensuring you have the power you want whenever and wherever you use it. Buddie's swappable battery is one of its standout characteristics. When the battery runs out, you may easily replace it, prolonging its usage duration and longevity. This means that you can rely on Buddie for extended periods of time without having to worry about running out of battery. Buddie, despite its tremendous powers, remains tiny, lightweight, and portable. It's meant to be the perfect power bank for your excursions, keeping you connected, charged, and ready for anything. Buddie has you covered whether you're exploring the woods, starting on a journey, or simply planning for emergencies. Buddie is the ideal companion for your power requirements, giving simplicity, adaptability, and peace of mind thanks to its modular design and customizable power capabilities. Prepare for a first-hand encounter with the Sling PRO Demo, where you're about to immerse yourself in the epitome of versatility and style. The Sling PRO Demo emerges as a sleek and innovative crossbody bag, meticulously crafted to harmonize with your dynamic lifestyle. Armed with an ergonomic design and a multitude of compartments, this bag effortlessly accommodates your essentials while ensuring your comfort remains uncompromised. Crafted from weather-resistant materials, your belongings find secure refuge within, rendering it the quintessential companion for any adventure, regardless of the weather's temperament. Swift access pockets and a discreet RFID blocking segment further enhance security and convenience on the move. Whether you're a globetrotter, a photographer, or an urban explorer, the Sling PRO Demo is your steadfast ally, offering you the freedom of movement you crave. Witness how the Sling PRO revolutionizes your everyday carry, ushering in a newfound realm of mobility. Bid farewell to unwieldy bags and embrace the ultimate solution in sling bags. The ultimate organizational marvel, the KonMari the 10th Orbitkey Nest, your pathway to infusing joy into your life. This exceptional collaboration between KonMari and Orbitkey births a meticulously designed storage case, purpose-built to declutter and streamline your daily existence. The result of precision craftsmanship and unwavering attention to detail, the Nest is a manifestation of order. Immerse yourself in the luxury of versatile compartments that beautifully accommodate your tech gadgets, accessories, and everyday carry essentials. Through a thoughtful layout, every item finds its rightful place, eradicating the frustrations of hunting for misplaced belongings. Fashioned from top-tier materials, the Nest radiates elegance while serving as a stalwart guardian for your prized possessions. With a minimalist design that harmoniously blends with uncompromising functionality, the KonMari the 10th Orbitkey Nest stands as a true embodiment of Marie Kondo's philosophy. An existence steeped in joy and organization begins with the principles of simplicity. Embrace the art of decluttering and elevate your organizational prowess with the Nest. The CRKT Deviation, a knife that shatters norms and establishes an entirely new benchmark for cutting-edge design and exceptional performance. Crafted in collaboration with the renowned designer Terry Renner, the Deviation proudly presents an audaciously futuristic appearance that demands attention. Its distinct angular blade is meticulously forged from premium stainless steel, ensuring a blend of razor-sharp accuracy and unwavering durability. The seamlessly integrated frame lock bestows unwavering stability during usage, while the ICS ball-bearing pivot system guarantees a silky smooth and almost effortless deployment. The ergonomically fashioned handle design extends a comfortable and confident grip, catering to prolonged use without compromise. Whether you're a passionate outdoor enthusiast or a dedicated knife collector seeking a standout masterpiece, the CRKT Deviation assures to seamlessly marry style and substance. In redefining the realm of modern knives, this masterpiece beckons you to embrace the extraordinary. Embark on a journey that encapsulates the Deviation's unique distinction, a promise that reimagines the essence of contemporary knives. Elevate your experience with the Deviation difference today. Confront whatever challenges life presents with unwavering determination, armed with the Tactica M250. This ultra-lightweight and compact hex drive toolkit is meticulously crafted from high-quality materials, ready to tackle a myriad of demanding tasks with finesse. Its versatility is the bedrock, offering 12 of the most commonly used hex bits, each poised to fulfill tasks like a seasoned professional. Furthermore, 2 spare hex slots provide the opportunity to customize your toolkit, tailoring it to your specific needs, be it for DIY projects, cameras, bikes, snowboards, or more. With its integrated holster, this toolkit stays firmly secured, enabling effortless portability. A built-in high-torque 2-inch extender and magnetic tip guarantee a steadfast hold on the hex bits during use. Fashioned from advanced military-grade composite, this tool not only retains ultra-lightweight attributes but also prioritizes safeguarding your valuable devices, ensuring your phones and gadgets remain unscathed in your pockets. It even adheres to TSA air travel regulations, making it a hassle-free travel companion. Balancing compactness with robust capabilities, the Tactica M250 Hex Drive Toolkit stands primed to serve your everyday needs seamlessly, without burdening you. So that was our list of the 10 best EDC gadgets that are worth buying. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.